How much protein does your child need? I'm here to answer your questions about protein. So let's begin by explaining what protein is. Protein is found in numerous foods that we eat, and it forms the building blocks of many cells and tissues. It supports muscle health, bone health, nerves and tissues, and hormones. If we have to visualize protein, imagine a necklace with different types of beads. These beads would be the amino acids that form the building blocks of protein. As the body breaks protein down into amino acids, your body decides where it goes to. Children do need protein for their growth and development. Plant-based sources of protein include green leafy vegetables, soya-based products, nuts and seeds, beans and pulses. Other foods also contain protein in various amounts, such as some whole grains. Some of the strongest animals in the world are herbivores, and these are gorilla, elephants, rhinos, and hippos. Their diets are predominantly plant-based. They get their protein nourishment from leafy greens, and we should follow suit too. If you feel that your child isn't getting enough protein, you can easily incorporate some protein foods into their diet. Throughout the day, ensure that your child is getting a variety of different proteins. And also, you can get some amino acid proteins from whole grains. So combining rice with beans, for example, makes your meal a complete protein source. If you add in some extra green vegetables, that also boosts the nutritional value. Tofu and tempeh are also examples of protein-rich sources. You season them and cook them so they taste good for your child to eat. You may be wondering why I haven't mentioned animal protein. This is because animal protein has been linked to numerous health conditions. The negative implications have been documented in a wonderful book written by Dr. Colin Campbell called The China Study. I will put the link below the video. So animal protein is not the best protein to help your child grow and develop, in my professional opinion. Another reason why we want to avoid animal protein is we want to encourage our children to respect the environment and to develop more compassion for animals. So how much protein should your child be consuming? I would advise 2 portions to be more than enough. However, if they want to have more as part of their daily meals, they can. In summary, I would suggest plant-based protein over animal protein. This is due to the health benefits that your child is going to gain as they're developing and growing. And secondly, you're going to be making a better positive impact, lighter carbon footprint to the environment. If you've liked the content of this video, please like and subscribe to this channel and click on the link below for a summary and some further tips.